Hey traders, hope you all doing well. So just want to make a quick video for the future priority members because I get lots of questions what to expect from the priority group or what do we get once we join in this group. So I just want to make this video for you guys. If you want to join, if you're looking to join this group, this is what you're going to expect from the priority group. The first thing I want to mention here, it won't be a signal group where you get tons of signal. If you are looking for the signal group, then it's not the one you need to join. It is a group where you will learn the entry patterns by receiving trade alerts, which I send 1 to 4 times a week. A trade alert will look something like this. So this was the trade alert I've sent to the members where I show you the entry patterns, and the description will be shown here once you join the group, what I'm looking at, why I'm entering these type of trades. So this was one of the pullback entry example. We take aggressive entries as well. So that is some basics entries you will learn. Now the reason I say it's not a signal group, because these are not the only entries I'll be personally taking. I follow my own trading plan. I have my own strategies set. I have my optimized pair, but the goal is to show you the patterns, the entry patterns, so that you can see the same type of entry patterns in the other markets. If you're trading indices, if you're trading Forex, commodities, all you need to do, look at the description of trade alerts and see the patterns and take the trades according to that. So I won't be sending you all the trades I see, all the entries I see here. If I see 3 conditions, I might be sending you just one, and I leave you to identify the next condition yourself so that you learn out of it, and you can always DM me to check if you're taking a right condition, right trade or not. So this is one of the pullback entry. You receive alerts like this. If you are my members, you'll get the basic rules. If you are my full course student, you will learn all the 6 rules to enter these type of trades and all the other strategies, of course. Now, example of that, I took this trade, a winning trade, a winning trade, a winning trade, and these 2 trades I've sent in the priority group. I've sent this as well, but if you see an exact condition right here, a valid entry right here, and let's say I have not sent these entries, I've personally taken these entry, and let's say I've seen another condition and I've sent that in the group, but that would be a stop loss hit that hit my stop loss, but after 3 winning trade, that will not hurt me. But if you are just using this group as a signal and you say that I've received this as a trade alert and you're gonna place every single thing on a single trade and that hit your stop loss, that is why I say it's not a signal group. Look at these entry patterns, maybe test this strategy, look at the candlestick pattern and see the results in a good sample size, because if I see the trades like this, I take every single trade which I'm able to, and I know in the large sample size it is a profitable strategy. So that is why I always say once you receive the alerts, use it to learn from this. If you see exact these condition, I want to show you one more example like that right here on Euro USD. All the conditions are same. We have a same entry condition. You read the description what I'm looking at, and that is how we identify the pattern. And if you see, Umar, if it's the right entry pattern or not, you can DM me, and if it is the right entry pattern, in that case I will tell you it is valid or not valid. So that is the motive to join this group. And with that, you receive the weekly Forex and commodity reports. An example of that is right here. So you get a report like this where you get 5 to 6 pairs every single week. You receive this report every Tuesday, and commodity reports will look something like this. You get 3 to 4 commodity zones every Sunday before the market is open, so that you can prepare yourself to enter your trades once the price reaches your area of value. Something like this. You know that we have a condition here. That is what you're going to receive as a trade alert, that what to look once the price hit the zones for your trades. A double top pattern like this. These are the patterns you will learn in the trade alerts. Again, it is not a signal group. Might get 2 alerts in a week. You might get 1 alert in a week. You might get 4, or sometimes I also sent 5 when I see a good market conditions. Weekly Forex zones report, commodities reports, and I'm going to start indices as well. Now, the way you join this group is 2 ways you can join the group. First way is right through my website. If you look at here, the standard plan, it's a priority group, not a signal group again, and it's right here. You click on join, and then once you join the group, you will come up to the page like this. You will see the priority group right up there. Click on the weekly reports, and then it will take you to the page right here. So these reports will be updated every Monday for Forex, Monday or Tuesday for Forex, every Sunday for commodities, and I'm going to upload indices reports as well very soon. You can able to download all your reports right from here, from my website. And then if you want to cancel a subscription, all you need to do, click on your account. You have your membership here, priority group, and you can cancel your membership right from here. Other way to join the group is, if you scroll down to my website, you will see the membership section right here, and you can click here. Once you click here, you have the standard plan right here, the priority group, exactly the same thing, but it is through the Buy Me a Coffee website. So these are the two ways you can join the group. Once you join it, you can able to access these indicators for free right here. The advanced pattern indicator, this is the indicator I use for my extra confluence. This is the trend channel indicator, and then you also get the weekly Forex and commodities zones for free for members. Now the indicator I've just shown you, which is right here, and here on my website, if you're already logged in, all you need to do, just log out, and then you will see the page like this. So click on shop right here. These are the indicators if you want to buy it individually. Right here, this is the advanced pattern indicator, trend channel indicator, but these indicators are free for members right here. So if you're a member, you don't need to pay for it. It will be sent to you right once you join the group, and you can also download this indicator right here. Once you apply this indicator on your chart, pattern maker indicator I've already shown you, that shows you the pattern, which as you can see on the top, the description is bullish butterfly pattern, and as you can see, the price pushed up once the pattern was formed right here around 27 pips. On 1 hour time frame, you can change your time frames like this to see where this pattern has formed. That will help you to take informed trading decisions. It is not a magic indicator, of course, but if you are doing your market analysis and if you see a formation of this indicator, with that you see that your analysis is also going with this indicator. Let's say your analysis is bullish and the indicator is also indicating a bullish side. In that case, that would be a good confluence. So this is what you're going to get for free once you join the group. And the other indicator I've already shown, which is the trend channel indicator right here. All you need to do is just drag, click here, and then it will show you trend of the market right here. Right here, this green lines, as you can see, that shows the market uptrend. You will receive this indicator with the instruction how to install this indicator on your charts. If you say you just want to try priority group for 1 month, that is the option right here on my website as well. And on Buy Me a Coffee, you need to click on shop, and then you have priority group 1 month access only right here. This is how you can download the indicator from Buy Me a Coffee, and you can also download this indicator directly once you join the priority group. You can able to download this indicator from the report section. I'm going to add the section today as well. That is what you're going to expect from the priority group. Again, not a signal group. You won't get tons of signal, but if you purely want to learn what I personally look for my trading, what zones I personally pay attention for my own trading, something like this for support and resistance, I will send you these zones for Forex, commodities and indices every week, so that you can prepare yourself for the following week to enter your trades from the most accurate zones or major area of values. Now, this is something if you want to join the group with a monthly membership. Now, the priority group is totally free if you join the group via one of my partner brokers. So if you scroll down and if you see right here, these are all my partner brokers. If you decide to join one of my partner broker right here, all these are my partner broker. Minimum deposit requirement is $1,000 in dollars. Once you do that, once you join it, I will add you in the priority group for free. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need to pay for your monthly fee. You'll be in the group as long as you are trading with my partner brokers, and you get all the benefits which I've already shown. Just ignore the Binance and the TradingView platform. So that is what I want to show you. I hope that clears all your questions, and I hope you're getting value out of my YouTube videos, and I hope you're learning out of it. That is what my goal is. I just want to give you some sort of education by joining this priority group. Of course, it won't be every single thing because this is just a priority group. You get these zones. At least you can able to take right decisions rather than just guessing in the market. If you want to join my full course, that is also an option, which is my premium plan. So let's end this video here. I hope you trade green. I'll see you inside Money Markets Trading Academy. Take care.